I've created an account on Varl. This is a crypto exchange that can connect to South African bank accounts. So I am going to show you how to link a South African bank to Varl so that you'll be able to withdraw. Welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherris. In this channel, we make money online. We do crypto and stocks. And in today's video, obviously, I am going to show you how to link your bank account in Varl. So without wasting time, let's go to my laptop. So the first thing is you do need to create your account, get verified, and the link will be on the video description. If you're watching from TikTok, on my link tree. So you will see this screen and you click wallet. After clicking wallet, you will see that I already converted my money into South African rands. You cannot withdraw if the money is not in South African rands. So you can watch this video to see how to convert so that you'll be able to link your bank account. And then you click the three dots, you click withdraw. After clicking withdraw, it will ask you to link your bank account. So for the first time when you do this, it will ask you to link, and then you do add your banking details. It can be Capitec, Absa, FNB. And then once you are done entering your details and confirming, you will get an email. Go to your email address that you use to create an account and click this authorized bank account. And after clicking authorized bank account, you'll be able to log into your account. And most of the time, it does take you to the Varl account. And then the next thing, your bank is linked. From this page, you will also get another email that confirms that your bank is linked. So this is the email that I got, which says your new linked bank account was linked successfully. So now you are ready to withdraw. So you just click withdraw and it will connect to your bank account. If you do not know how to withdraw, you can just watch this video. It is a short video. And guys, do remember that the link will be found on the video description, and do create an account in Varl. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I do have a TikTok account. You can watch this video at the beginning to get the TikTok account. And please avoid scams. Don't send money to anyone. Thank you.